What's up, guys? It's EG Awesomeness here, and welcome to a new Let's Play. And it's a Sonic Let's Play. It's not this game right here. Already did that, but I did say on my last part of Sonic Generations I will be doing Sonic Unleashed. Well, guess what? It's not here. Just kidding. Nah, it's in games. And there's the Minecraft stuff. Yeah, I know. It's in games. And just keep on scrolling. I do have Minecraft for Xbox 360 and Wii U and Pocket Edition and PS3. Okay, yeah. But I am planning to do a couple of Sonic games like Sonic Adventure, Sonic Adventure 2. But enough with the chit chat and Sonic CD. Enough with the chit chat. We are doing Sonic Unleashed or Sonic World Adventure in Japan. I don't know why they called it like that, but let's just get this started. And let me just say this right now. This is one of my favorite Sonic games in the whole series. Like, it's so good. I love it. I love it. Love it. It's awesome. So we are going to do this series. We're not going to do 100% completion, but we're just going to beat the game like always, like with Sonic Generations. We didn't 100% do that, but we're going to complete this regularly. So let's get it on. Hold up. Let me fix the camera. Okay, that should be a little better. I don't know, but I think it's a little better. So without further ado, let's get this started. So Sonic Unleashed, one of my favorite Sonic games of all time. I love it. It introduced the Sonic boost gameplay, and we are about to be presented by one of the best Sonic openings ever made. Like, seriously, it's like awesome. Well, after this logo.
I'm running through this world and I'm not looking back. 'Cause I know I can go where no one's ever gone and I'm not looking back. But how will I know when I get there? And how will I know when to leave? We've all gotta start from somewhere. It's right there for me. The possibilities are never ending. I see it, and now it's all within my reach. It's possibility. I see it now. It's always been inside of me. And now I feel so free. It's possibility. I see it, and now it's all within my reach. It's possibility. I see it now. It's always been inside of me. And now I feel so free. It's possibility. It's possibility. It's possibility.
Oh my god, I love that opening though. Oh my god, it's so full of energy and the song is so amazing. But oh my god, like that opening is so awesome. Like way awesome. So that is just one of the best things about this game. It's just the opening. It's just gets you in the mood to play. So let's, without further ado, let's as you can see, hold up. Is this my other profile or just another one? I forgot. Hold up. I forgot. This is let me see real quick. I've already beaten the game. Like play the game. Oh, wow. New game. Never mind. So here's the opening cutscene now. Shut up for you guys. Oh snap! You wanna see something funny? Okay, I gotta talk during this point, but the Egomatic is actually faster than Supersonic.
I'm sorry. Really, look, go easy on me. I'll turn over a new leaf, I swear. Just give me a chance.
Well, this is new. Showing remorse, Eggman? If you played nice, I wouldn't have to break all your toys.
Gotcha. What?
Okay, guys, just don't think negative here, okay? Look, it's the Incredible Hulk. Just Sonic version.
Success! A brilliant success! It's just as the Gaia manuscripts foretold! The entity that was sealed within the planet has awakened. Now we just need to harness its power. Eggman Land will finally come to be!
You really gone and done it this time, Eggman.
Sonic, that's a good look for you. Test it. So long, friend.
And my kitty won't shut up. Shut up. If you guys can hear my cat, she be whining right now. Yo, that cutscene is pretty crazy, as you guys saw. Just mentioning, I'm playing the Xbox version of this game. Xbox version or PS3. I have both of the versions for some reason. PS3 versions at my mom's house. Weird. So, kitty, just shut up. There's another cutscene, and as it's saying, you can press X to boost. So this is the first game that featured 3D boost gameplay from Sonic Rush, which was awesome. Oh, got another cutscene here. Sure, get some more popcorn. Just say these cutscenes are long. He should be dead. And he's not.
What the heck is going on? Hey, are you okay? Hey, pull yourself together. Huh? Don't eat me. I taste bad. You okay? Nothing broken? Oh, I'm just fine. Thanks for asking, Mr. Monster Guy. Mr. Monster Guy? Looks like things have gotten pretty ugly. Yeah, look at those teeth and those claws. What's your name, anyway? I'm Sonic. Sonic the Hedgehog. And you are? What is my name? I don't know. I can't remember. What? You forgot who you are? Yup. I remember something falling from the sky, and everything just going all white. And then nothing. I can't remember a thing past that. Did I fall on him?
Lawsuit!
Oh man, what am I gonna do? What can I do? Where do I go from here? What'll I... I'm hungry. Hey, don't worry. I'll help you get your memory back. Really? You mean it? Absolutely. I'm sure we'll find somebody who knows you if we look around. Oh, thank you. You're the best, Mr. Monster Guy. I mean, Sonic the Hedgehog. Ha-ha!
Thank God he's regular now.
What?
But this game has some long cutscenes. Like, seriously, we're over 15 minutes. So right now we are finally at our first level. So right now we can boost. As like in Sonic Generations, it's kind of the same, but the controls are a little bit less. It's stiff a little bit. A little stiff, but it's still fun though. And we'll get some more upgrades on along the way. Like the daytime stages are one of the best stages in 3D Sonic history. I am dead serious. And you know what's weird about this game? Instead of the like I said in the first part of Sonic Generations, instead of the homing attack being on the A button, it's on the X button. See, watch. See, you can press the X button for homing attack. That means the homing attack has its own button, which is the same as the boost. Boom, like that. You'll get used to it, but it's pretty simple. Sometimes I press the A button, sometimes I press the X button, and the little orbs we collect are called experience orbs. Basically, this game has RPG elements. Ow. Which you can level up Sonic's abilities to make him more versatile in situations, like more boost, more speed and stuff, or stuff for the Werehog. And we got a B for bullcrap. All right. And I'll be explaining more. So we got the here it is. Here's a menu where you can upgrade stuff. You can upgrade your speed and ring energy, which is how many rings you can have in the lower bar in the left corner. Or you can upgrade the Werehog's many attributes like life, strength, combat. We'll be getting into that a little later, not like in a few parts. But yeah, I love this game because of all the stuff you can do. It's so awesome. And then guess what? We got ourselves in our cutscene. So get some more popcorn. Now, warning you.
What do you figure that was all about? The hair and those arms and look at the Chaos Emeralds. So, is this what you usually look like? Yeah, this is the real me. Pretty cool, huh? Huh? Where'd you go?
Looks good, don't it? That there chocolate chip cream Sundae Supreme is the pride of the city. The whole world can come tumbling down, but they'll still line up for a taste.
Hey! What about your memories? Chocolate chip sundae supreme.
You said it. Enjoy it, kiddo. Satisfaction guaranteed. If you don't love it, you get your money back.
Hey! Oh, I love it.
Why would you pay something before you get the item? I mean, no, never mind. That's a good thing. I'm being stupid. Sorry if I'm being so stupid. I can't talk.
You say so. How about you give me a hand and help look for somebody who knows you, Chip? Chip? Gotta call you something, don't I? What do you think? Yeah, Chip. Chip. I love it. Yo. Now, what do you say we start asking around and see if anybody here knows you? Okay.
Well, that's exactly what we gotta do. So right now we gotta ask around and see if anyone knows Chip, or there's another name for this guy. But we'll be doing that, and we'll know that a little later in the Let's Play. What I mean a little later, about like 20 parts later. I'm just kidding, no, maybe less, but near that number. So right now we gotta ask around if these people they'll recognize Chip. Hello, lovely weather we're having today, isn't it? Oh, and who's this little fellow here? Do I know him? No, I can't say I've seen him before. Perhaps someone else has. So we gotta keep asking. And let me just say, we'll search around the hub road a little. And my cat's being an idiot. And guess what? We got our first medal. So let me discuss what these do. Sun and Moon medals is a stupid method of unlocking levels. If you want to complete this game, you have to collect Sun and Moon medals. You have to get to a certain level. See the level, the number beside the number of medals you have, like the level 1, level 2. Well, you have to have a certain level of Moon and Sun medals to get to other stages, which is stupid. What happened to stage to stage? Well, that's the only problem I have with that. So let's ask this dude. They say the planet split apart. You never know what's gonna happen one day to the next, do you? Well, useless information, old man. So we gotta talk to this dude over here. Well, what do we have here? Travelers? Trying to find out which way to go? Not an easy choice. If you continue straight ahead, you'll be coming to the entrance stage. Well, which is the little thing up toward down there. So right now, I'm trying to search for more moon and sun metals. Because we're gonna need a lot of them. When I mean a lot, you can get up to 200. That's a lot to collect. So we are going to keep searching for metals. There's one right there. So we got all the metals here, and at nighttime you can get so at daytime in the hub roads you can get 2 moon metals, and nighttime you get 2 sun metals. It's kind of reverse. So right now we're going to the entrance stage, and before that we're going to talk to this dude. This kid, nope, I think I've seen him before. For real, he's lost his memory? That's gotta be tough. You can just blah 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 whatever. See what this old man says. I haven't seen you these parts before. Are you a tourist? Do I know who this little guy is? Nah, sorry, I've never seen him before. Alright, now we gotta go to the entrance stage, which is my favorite part. So entrance stages are like little hub rolls to get to the real stages, right? The stage we did was Act 1 of Windmill Isle. And you can go at full speed. Get a couple of rings. So right now there are 4 medals we can get, but we can't do that now since it's blocked off. Like seriously, it's blocked off. You can't do anything. So we'll keep searching for that later. Can't jump over it. And that literally just died in the hub roll in the entrance stage. I am so dumb today. Oh my god. Let's just get to the stage, shall we? We're only 22 minutes in this recording. Let's do this. So we're going to Windmill Isle Act 2, which is a really easy stage, and it gets you used to the controls. I've already mastered every stage in the game, so prepare to see some craziness around here, because I am a beast in this game. And I'm doing the drift, which is butchered from Sonic Generations, where this game came first. Oh crap. Drift. So in this stage we're we can introduce to some aspects of the game you'll be seeing later. I forgot I don't have to stop. God dang it. I'm so used to playing this when I'm fully upgraded. So basically it's kind of the same thing. You press the B button to slide and crouch, and then unlike Sonic Generations, you can actually crawl. And we got ourselves another moon medal. We're going to need a lot of them. So in this game, instead of doing the left stick, you can do the LB and RB triggers to switch rails and quick step. Like it's kind of like Sonic Generations, but just more stiff. Oh, CD. Can't get it. Saw music disc over there. So love this game though. It's awesome. And I think I know every shortcut. Like jump here, you get yourself a rainbow ring. You go over here. I think there's a sun medal around here. Hold up. Turn around. Never mind. Let's just go. And right here, these are little thingies where you can press a certain button. A or X or B, you'll go in a certain direction. A is up. So I'm going to go X, which is sideways. Go right there, and we'll be heading into some weird territory. Alright, here we go. Let me just say this right now. This game is full quick time events where you have to press certain buttons in a certain amount of time to clear a little aspect. Like these trick ramps, you have to do quick time events like this. So like that, LB, Y, and A. And later in the game, they'll be getting much faster and harder. So I'm already prepared for that because I already know every quick time event in the game. I've completed the game though, like multiple times. Only 2 times. Once on this on the Xbox 360 and once on the PS3. They control exactly the same. Don't worry. And I'm going to get this moon medal. Come on. There we go. I hate Sonic's jump in this game. It's so stiff. You can't really maneuver it in midair. I swear to God, I pressed that A button. Already failing in the first episode. That's great. Let's go. Not failed. Usually, I can get like an S rank on the stage in the first try, but I gotta introduce stuff first. So I'm not gonna get that awesome S rank. And more quick time events. Alright. They're really easy once you get the hang of it. Like, once you get the hang of it and learn the button inputs of the controller, you'll be doing good in no time. And that is a solid C rank, B rank, or A rank. Let me guess, what is C? I freaking knew it. Yep. And right now, we're going to, we can now, since we have 1 bar of experience, we can now upgrade something. We could do it for the Werehog, or let's do it for Sonic Speed. Alright, so speed level up, and I'm going to do something for the Werehog. I'll be getting to him in the next episode, which will be in a little while. Gotta do some other Let's Plays though, gotta do some macros. Only done 12 parts on. Don't worry, I'll do more parts on that. And I think we have another cutscene after this. Yeah, I think we do.
Still no luck finding anyone who knows me. Don't worry about it. Maybe your memory will come back on its own. Remember anything yet? Nope. Oh well. Sonic?
And we transform into the Werehog.
Mr. Monster Guy is back.
So when the sun goes down, I turn into this?
Are you okay, Sonic?
I'm fine. I just need to be careful who sees me like this.
Sonic! Sonic, look!
What is it? Oh, it's hopeless. The whole planet is split apart. We're doomed.
Mister? Hey, mister! Hey, don't cry. Ice cream. How about some more of this super tasty stuff?
What good is ice cream at a time like this?
He's Stretch Armstrong. And the Incredible Hulk.
Your arm just stretched.
Incredible Hulk. Not Hulk. I'm being stupid.
But it could be useful.
So right now we are the Werehog. So let me just describe what the Werehog can do. He can punch twice, only in the upper worlds, but I'll show what you can do, what kind of combos you can do, or what kind of combos you can unlock. And you can press the Y button to punch. You can press the X button to do the slash or claws. You can dash with the RT or LT button, or R2 or L2. I forgot. R2 or L2 on the PlayStation 3. Yeah, and let's talk to this guy right here. See what's wrong with him. The planet's broken. It's all over. There's no point in making ice cream anymore. Jeez. Some people are just really depressed. Let's talk to this dude. A literally stroll night like this isn't bad. So right now I'm going to find 2 of the medals again. It's 2 medals during the nighttime. Yeah. And then we'll be done with this episode. It's a really long episode, just getting everything. Cutscenes are long. That's why this was such an episode without that much gameplay. That's why. Sorry. I know you guys don't like that, but you're gonna have to deal with it. Where's that metal I need so much? Oh, is it over here? Oh, yeah, I was right. but the music in this game is phenomenal. The game looks good too. How did I find the medals so fast? And why are they so close to each other? I don't know why. So this dude right here is... I don't know what's he doing. Talking to himself, but... Yo, I don't know how I found the medals that fast, but Sonic Unleashed is a very pretty game. It's so fantastic. Looks good. And the soundtrack's awesome too. So, let's take out and end it off right here. So next time we will be going to do Windmill Isle at night with the Werehog. Then we'll have a special surprise. Oh, and with the story, well, whatever. So thank you guys all for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to smash that like button. And I'll see you guys next time for part 2 of Sonic Unleashed for the Xbox 360. Peace, guys!